Hello everyone, this is my review of the Joneses soda. This one here is root beer flavor, classic flavor that everybody likes. The Joneses soda uses real cane sugar, not artificial sugar, so that's a good thing about the product. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and pour some out in a cup so you can see it. Fortunately, you can't taste it, but I can. Let me just get this cup here with some ice. And you can see, pouring it out, it fills up nicely. Got that carbonation to it. And go ahead and taste it. Drink some. And it tastes just like a regular root beer. It has a nice taste to it, so I highly recommend this product, and I hope this review helps.